Good morning, my dear children. I am Asha PG. Welcome back to our Maths class. Today, we are going to study the continuation of Chapter 3, Subtraction. So, we already studied subtraction of 4 digit by 4 digit without borrowing. That means without regrouping. That means without borrowing. Today we are dealing with subtraction of 4 digit by 4 digit with regrouping, or we can say it as with the borrowing. With the regrouping, or we can say with the borrowing. You already studied borrowing of 3-digit number by 3-digit number. Okay, just look at this question. Subtract 5764 minus 2347. So, these are 4-digit numbers. So, we have 4 places. We already know that the places of 4 digits, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. So, in the first question, I already written ones place, tens place, 100 place and thousands place. So, place wise you have to write out the numbers. So, 5 in thousands place, 7 in 100 place, 6 in tens place and 4 in ones place. And put minus sign, then the next number. Okay, next number. 2 thousands place, 3 100 place, 4 in tens place and 7 in ones place. So, we will start. So, here we will start subtraction from which place? From ones place. So, here the ones place numbers are, look at the ones place number, 4 and 7 are the ones place numbers. Look at the top number 4, look at the top number 4. 4 is smaller than the bottom number 7. 4 is smaller, 7 is big. So, subtraction here is not possible. You have to make this 4 big. You have to make this 4 big, then only the subtraction will possible. So, what will we do? You have to ask or you have to borrow. You have to borrow some numbers from the tens place. This tens place, you have to borrow numbers. So, 6 will give 10 to 4. 6 will give number 10 to 4, and that 10 and the remaining 4, it will become 14. It will become 14. So, our new number became 14 here. New number became 14. So, 4 became 14. A new number is 14. So, I circle the number here. So, we will borrow from 6. So, 6 became 5. 1 down. 6 became 1 down 5. Okay. Now, look at the new numbers 14 and 7. 14 and 7. So, the subtraction now it is possible because the first number, top number is big. Now, you have to subtract these two numbers 14 and 7. 14 in our mind and 7 in our hand. Before 14, counting backward, before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Write down that answer in which place? In ones place. In ones place you have to write down 7. Okay, so subtraction of this place is over. Now you have to move to the tens place. All of you know about it. Once again I am deeply telling you, go to the tens place. Here the new number is 5 and 4 are the numbers in the tens place. 5 in our mind and 4 in our hand. Before counting, before 5, that is 4, 3, 2, 1. Write down that number in ones place itself. Means in tens place itself. Okay, write down that one. 4, 5 minus 4, 1. Write down in which place? Tens place. Okay, now you move to the 100 place. The 100 place numbers are 7 and 3. 7 in your mind and 3 in our hand. Before counting, backward counting, what will we get? 6, 5, 4. Write down in which place? 100's place. Now, next place, thousands place. 5 in mind, 2 in hand, 5 before, count it. 5 before, 4, 3. Write down in thousands place. Okay, so you have to double underline your answer. Okay, now we move to the next question. When question comes in exams, only the number will give to you. Okay, number will give to you. You have to write down the numbers like this. You have to write down. You have to write down the numbers like this. In place wise you have to write down. The question is 8,953 minus 4,525. Write down the first number. Place wisely you have to arrange it likewise here. Okay, 8, 9 and 5, 3. Then put a minus sign because subtraction question you have to put minus sign. Then the second number. Here also 4 digit. You just write down 4,525. Then put a line. So here the ones place numbers are 3 and 5. Look at the top number 3. 3 is smaller. So what will we do? You have to do so smaller, top number is smaller, so you have to borrow from the tens place. So this 3 became 13. 5 gives 10 and plus 3, 13. And 5 became 1 down, that is 4. So the new number is 13 and 5. 3 became 13. So the top number became big. So we can subtract 13 in our mind, 5 in our hand. Before counting 12, then 11, 10, 9, 8. Write down in ones place. Then move to the next place. Numbers are 4 and 2. 4 in mind, 2 in hand. Before 4, 3, 2. Write down in tens place. Now we move to the next place. 9 and 5 are the numbers. 9 in mind, 5 in hand. 9 before, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Write down the correct place. Now move to the next place. 8 and 4, 8 in mind, 4 in hand, 8 before, 7, 6, 5, 4. So our answer is 4,428 and double underline the answer. So here we are borrowing from the which place? 100 place numbers. Okay. Now move to the next question. Here also two numbers are given horizontally. You have to subtract it. Subtraction sign is here. You have to subtract it. Okay. Ones place numbers are 2 and 3. Here 2 is smaller. The top number is smaller. So subtraction not possible. So you have to move to the next place and borrow number. So this 2 became 12. And this 3 became 1 down 2. Okay. So 12 minus 6. Backward counting. 12 minus 6 in hand. 12 before. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Write down here. Then we move to the next place, tens place. 2 is the number. That number 2 is the new number and 4 is the number here. 2 is also small. So you have to borrow again. So borrow from which place? 100 place. Okay. So 100 place number. 6 is the 100 place number. You have to borrow from here. So 2 will become 12. And 6 will become 1 down 5. So new number is 12 and 4. 12 in mind, 4 in hand. 12 before, 11, 10, 9, 8. Here also 1. Now move to 100 place. 100 place numbers are 5 and 3. 5 in mind, 3 in hand. 5 before, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Now move to the next place, that is thousands place. 9 in mind, 7 in hand. 9 before, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So 2286 is our number. Okay. So next set of questions. Look at these numbers, 4600 and 2345. Here zeros comes here. So how will you borrow it? I will show you. So the subtraction starting from ones place. Which place? Ones place. So here top number is 0. So that is smaller than the bottom number 5. Subtraction not possible. So you have to borrow from here. When we look at here, this is also 0. We can't borrow. So you have to borrow from here. So 6 gives 10 to this number. Okay. From here, this 0 will take. Okay. So this 0 will become 10. And we are taking one number from here. So this 10 will become 1 down 9. And here 6 from 6 became 1 down 5. So 10, 9 and 5. These are the new numbers. So here 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5, 10 in mind, 5 in hand. Before 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Write down in ones place. Move to the next place. 9 and 4 are the numbers. 9 in mind, 4 in hand. 9 before, 8, 7, 6, 5. Again 5. Write down in tens place. Now move to the 100 place. Numbers are 5 and 3. 5 in mind, 3 in hand. 5 before, 4, 3, 2. Write down in 100 place. Okay. Now the last place, that is thousands place. What are the numbers there? 4 and 2. Just check what number will come. 4 and 2. 4 minus 2. When we subtract, which number will come? 2 will come. Write down that number. 2000 255 is our answer. Okay, understood how to do the zero coming questions? You have to borrow from the next places and take it. Write down the answer. The same type of question, one more question is here. 0. So we will borrow from here. There is no number. So move to the next place. 8 is the number. So 8 gives 10 here. And from this 10, we will move to the ones place and give number 10 here. And this 10 will become 1 down 9. And this 8 will become 1 down 7. Okay. Then the same way, the new numbers are 10 and 4 in ones place. 10 in mind, 4 in hand, 10 before, 9, 8, 7, 6. In ones place, you have to write 6. Then move to the 100 place, tens place, 9 and 5 are the numbers. New number is 9. 9 in mind, 5 in hand, 9 before, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Write down in tens place. Then move to the 100 place. 7 and 4 are the numbers. 7 in mind, 4 in hand. 7 before, 6, 5, 4, 3. Write down in 100 place. Now the last place, thousands place. 6 and 4. What will get 6 minus 4? Just think about it, count it. Count backward. What will get 6 minus 4? That is 2. Isn't it? So the answer is 2346. So we will do these types of questions. The another type question comes in subtraction is from question. From. Subtract one number from the next one. So how will we write down this number? The number writing of the numbers in this question is very important. Normally how we write it? We write down the first number, then put a minus sign at the second question. In from questions, you have to write down the number just comes after from. After from. After from, which number comes after from? That is 7415. You have to write down that number as the first number. In subtraction, from question comes, when from question comes, you have to write down the second number as the first number. Then put a minus sign and write down the first number as the second number. Then only the answer will correct. Otherwise, the answer we will get is wrong. Okay. So we will start subtracting. Already write it 7415 minus 2123. So look at these numbers in ones place, 5 and 3. 5 top number is big compared to the bottom number 5. No problem, we can subtract. Okay. So 5 in mind, 3 in hand. So 5 minus, before counting, what will we get? 4, 3, 2. Okay. Then now move to the tens place. Here, look at these numbers. What are the numbers? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So 1 is the top number is smaller than the bottom number. At that time you have to borrow from the next place, means previous number, previous place. So here you have to big this number, big the number. So you have to circle it and borrow from here. 4 gives 10. That 10 and 1 became 11. So 1 became 11 and 4 is 1 down 3. So our new numbers are 11 and 2. Now normally you have to the number will become bigger than the bottom number. You have to subtract it. So what will we get? 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 hand. Before counting 10, 9. Then move to the next place. 3, 1. 3 in mind, 1 in hand, 3 before, 2. Okay, then last number 7, 2. What is the answer there? 7 mind, 2 hand, 7 before, 6 and 5. So the answer is 5292. Next, the same type of question, from question, one more from question. So in from questions in subtraction, you have to always write down the second number as the first number. After the number comes, after from you have to write down as the first number. That I already write it here and write down. Then put a minus sign because subtraction question. So then write down the next question and do the subtraction. Okay. So ones place numbers 3 and 5. Just look at the top number, that is smaller. So you have to borrow from here. When we look at this number, that is 0, we can't borrow from 0. Then nothing is there. So you move to the next place. So 0, you're moving here first. There is no number. Then move to here. Here is the number. Can borrow from here. 8 gives 10. And from that 10, we will borrow, and 10, that 10 gives 10, and you have to 10 plus 3, what will we get? 13. And we are, here we borrowed, so 10 will become 9. And here also, what will 8 became 1 down 7. Okay. Now the new numbers 13 and 5 is the new numbers in ones place. So you have to subtract it. 13 minus 5. 13 in mind, 5 in hand. Before counting 12, 11, 10, then 9, 8. Then 9 and 5, 9 in mind, 5 in hand. Before counting 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Write down in tens place. Move to the next place. New number 7 and 6. 7 minus 6. Which number comes? 1 comes. Now move to the next place. Thousands place. 8 and 7. Which number will get after subtracting? Do backward counting and subtract it. Which number will get? 1. Okay. So double underline. This is your answer. So in front question, you just have to carefully write down the number. After from, you have to write down from. In subtraction question, from question comes after the number comes after from. You have to write it first. Okay. Now word problems. The question comes like this: sold. Okay. So just read it out of that question. Hari bought a table and chair for rupees 7,655. Two things, table and chair. The cost of the table was 5,165. Okay, rupees 5,165. Find the cost of chair. Find the cost of chair. Two things are here. Both of the items money is given here. You have to find out the cost of chair. One items that tables amount is given here. So what will we do? First of all, you have to write down the steps first. So here what will we find? Find the cost of. So you have, when you write down the steps, you have to write down cost of table and chair. Okay. Cost of table and chair is equal to how much? 7,655. Okay, write down that. That is rupees. You have to write down rupees there. Next, what is given in the second step? Cost of the table. Okay. Cost of table, how much? 5,165. Write down rupees there. Okay, what will we have to find cost of chair. Cost of chair. How we find out the answer? The total minus the cost of table. So write down 7,655, then subtract it. Subtract. You have to subtract which number? 5,000, the cost of table. So what will be the answer there? You have to subtract it. Okay. You know how to subtract. So 5 minus 5, same numbers, 0. So here 5, 6, 5 is top number small, you have to borrow it. All of you know about it. So here 5 became 15, 6 became 1 down 5, 15 minus 6, count it. What number will get? 15 minus 6, that is 9. Then 5 minus 1, that is 4. 7 minus 5, which number will get? 4. So our answer is, okay, there is a mistake. No, 7 minus 5, that is 2. Okay, so write down that number. First of all, you have to write down the amount, money, that is the money symbol, and write down 2,490. That is our cost of our chair. Another question. In a book, there are 3,750 pages. Salman has read 2,565 pages. How many pages are left to read? There are 3,750 pages are there. Total pages 3,750, and Salman read his much of pages 2,565. How many pages left to read? How many pages are left? Okay, so we will write down the steps. How many pages are left there? So total pages in the book is equal to 3,750. Write down that step. Then Salman read this much of pages 2,565. Number of pages read is equal to. Write down that number here. And the last step, number of pages left. You have to subtract the total pages minus the number of pages read. Now after subtracting, we will get the answer. Okay, write down the. So 0 and 5, 0 is smaller. Borrow from here, 0 became 10 and 5 became 4. 10 minus 5, 5. Then 4 and 6, 4 is smaller. So you have to borrow from 7. 7 became 6 and 4 became 14. 14 minus 6, backward counting, what will you get? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. And 6 minus 1, count it. 6 minus 5, which number will get? 1. Then 3 minus 2, count it. 3 minus 2, which number will get? 1. Okay. So 1,185 pages. Okay. So these type of questions you have to study in subtraction 4 by 4 with the regrouping. These types of questions only you have to study. Okay. So today I will wind up the class. Here is my number. If any doubt, you can call me.